So alright folks, gather around because we have got some juicy details about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 series, and trust me, it's looking like it's going to be something big. Yes, you heard that right, Nothing is about to drop two phones, the Phone 3 and the Phone 3 Plus, and they have got some serious tricks up their sleeves. Now, you might be wondering, where is the flagship phone for 2024? Well, Nothing didn't drop a flagship last year because they have been cooking up something extra special with these new phones. They are focusing on adding some next level AI features. Let's dive into what we can expect. First off, let's talk about the Phone 3, the regular one. We have got confirmation that it's going to rock the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chip. Now, if you are thinking, but how powerful is that? Well, buckle up. The Phone 3 hits 1149 points in the single core test and 2813 points in the multi-core test. That's some solid power right there. Oh, and did I mention it will run on Android 15 straight out of the box? That's going to come with new NothingOS 3.0, making things super smooth and clean. But wait, the Phone 3 Plus is where things start to get interesting. So, Qualcomm surprised us by launching a light version of their Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 called the 8S Gen 3, designed for gaming and ultra-fast performance in upper mid-range phones. Fast forward to 2025, and guess what, they are working on a light version of their Snapdragon 8 Elite, and it might just end up in the Phone 3 Plus. Now hold up, Nothing has been known for not always using the top of the line chips in their phones, but sources are saying the Phone 3 Plus might come with this new 8S Elite chip. If this rumor pans out, it could be a total game changer for Nothing. We would be getting flagship level performance but at a price that won't empty our wallet. We are still waiting on official confirmation from Nothing, so take this with grain of salt. But if this rumor is true, expect some seriously fast top tier performance at a budget friendly price, finger crossed. And for the display, we have got some leaks. The Phone 3 might spot a 6.5 inches screen, while the Phone 3 Plus could bump that up to 6.7 inches. That's a nice jump, especially if you love big screens. So in short, Nothing is making big moves with the Phone 3 series. They are creeping closer and closer to the flagship level, and honestly, I can't wait to see what they have in store for us. So let me know what you guys think of this Phone 3 series in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.